Is your Nintendo Switch Lite going to sleep too quickly while you're playing games? AutoSleep can be helpful for saving battery, but sometimes it interrupts your gaming experience. So, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off AutoSleep on your Switch Lite, so you can play or watch without interruptions. Let's begin. Get your console at hand. Then, go on to home screen. Go all the way to system settings. Scroll down from here and find sleep mode. Then on the right side, you'll see the option Auto Sleep. Select it or tap on it. Now, change the setting to never. Your Nintendo Switch Lite will now stay on until you manually put it to sleep or turn it off. Just remember to manually turn off or sleep the console once you're done to save battery. And that's how you turn off Auto Sleep on your Nintendo Switch Lite. Super easy and fast. If this video helped you out, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Nintendo tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.